Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever fumbled in the dark? Not anymore. With the Fenix HL18R-T V2.0 is here to light up your path. With its lightweight design, adjustable fit system, and a powerful 800 lumen, this little headlamp will light up your world while keeping your hands free. It really got your back, or I guess your forehead. So let's get into why this headlamp may become your ultimate adventure buddy. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. The HL18R-T V2.0 is a lightweight, rechargeable headlamp with a whopping 800 lumens of brightness and a beam distance of 136 yards. That's more than a football field long. It also has two color temperature. A cool light, 6000 Kelvin, great for long distance visibility and detail-oriented tasks. It's perfect for spotting objects far away on the trails or in an open area. And the warm light 3000 Kelvin, which can cut through fog, rain, and dust better while reducing glare. It provides more natural view, making it easier on the eyes during extended use. And each of them has 4 brightness levels: turbo, high, mid, and low. And it's so versatile because it can be powered by the rechargeable battery that comes with it. Or you can use 3 AAA batteries, which make it perfect for a variety of situations. Whether you're trail running, hiking, or doing your own DIY project at night, this bad boy assures that you're never left in the dark. And now for the fun part, the beam shots. So let's start with the white light. The turbo mode is 800 lumens with a 136 yard throw, with a runtime of 3 hours and 20 minutes. The high mode is 350 lumens with 86 yard throw, with a runtime of 6 hours and 30 minutes. The medium mode is 130 lumens with 53 yard throw with a runtime of 10 hours. The low mode is 70 lumens with 39 yard throw with a runtime of 20 hours and 40 minutes. And now for the warm light. The turbo mode is 500 lumens with 97 yard throw with a runtime of 4 hours and 15 minutes. The high mode is 130 lumens with 50 yard throw with a runtime of 10 hours. The medium mode is 70 lumens with 37 yard throw with a runtime of 20 hours. The low mode is 5 lumens with 9 yard throw with a runtime of 160 hours. And for the red light, constant on is 5 lumen with a runtime of 50 hours. The SOS mode is 30 lumens with a runtime of 100 hours. When you unbox this beauty, here's what you'll get. Now let's talk about the design. It has a very beautiful design. If you look at it from the front, it looks like an owl face because it's that good at night. And it's super light, weighs about 3.5 ounces. It's built for comfort. The adjustable headband uses Fenix fit system, which is that rotated dial. By rotating it, you can tie it up on your head, which make it perfect fit for any size head. No more headband slipping mid-run. And it's made with a breathable material to keep you cool, and has reflective material on it that can be seen from 54 yards away. Making an adjustment to power output has never been easier due to its simple 2-button design, one for white output and one for warm output. You can make the adjustment without taking it off your head. And to lock out the headlamp, now it's so simple with this dedicated lockout switch. Just simply slide the lock switch down and the lamp will blink 4 times on the low output warm light. So you have the ease of mind that it will never turn on in your back accidentally. To unlock the headlamp, slide the lock switch up. The lamp will blink 4 times on low output warm light. You may be wondering, all this is great, but is it durable? Yes, it has an IP66 rated water and dust proof, which means it can handle heavy rain, dust, and the occasional clumsy drop because it can withstand 1 meter impact. It's a trail tested and tough enough for whatever you throw at it or you throw it into. This headlamp is powered by a 1900 mAh lithium-ion battery. It's rechargeable thanks to its USB Type-C charge port that can fully charge it in 3 hours. And if you need to know how much juice left in the battery, that's not a problem. With a single press on either button, it will show you the battery indicator lights. It's also compatible with the 3 AAA batteries. If you're in a pinch and don't have access to a charger, like trail running competition, that can span for multiple days. So for longer runs, The ease of swapping to commonly found batteries are a plus. Using this headlamp is a breeze. You have one dedicated button for a cool light and one button for warm light, so no complicated menus and no guesswork. To turn it on, simply press either buttons for half a second. It will start on the last power output that you were on. Thanks to its smart memory, it can remember the last power output that you were using. And if you start on the cool mode and you want to switch to the warm, just simply press the warm button. And if you want to cycle through all the power outputs, while you're on the desired color temperature, just simply press that button and you will cycle through the power output levels. So we have the low mode, the medium, the high, and the turbo. And if you press it one more time, we're back to the low. And if you want to turn it off, just simply press either of the buttons for half a second. And if you want to get to the red light mode, just simply double press either buttons. Now we're on the constant red light on. If you want to get to the SOS mode, just simply press either buttons. And if you want to turn it off, just simply hold either buttons for half a second. Here's my take on the Fenix HL18R-T version 2.0. It's everything you'd want in a headlamp. It's super bright powerhouse that you can just put it on and forget about it, thanks to its lightweight and comfortability. It's durable, which means you don't have to worry about the weather condition. You can just plan for the adventure and it's ready whenever you are. And the fact that it's rechargeable and can use 3 AAA batteries when needed. Do you know how convenient that is? You can buy AAA batteries everywhere, so you will never be stuck in the dark. It can run for 160 hours. That's mean if you work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, you won't need to charge it for a whole month. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know in the comments what's your thoughts and if you're planning to get one. Till next time, keep exploring and stay lit.